Hello. Uptown Swing. Level 2.
Tempo.
Bow.
Brian, we did more of those walkies with tappies.
You talked about swinging your arms on them. Boom. Hey, hey, hey. Make it really clear if you're changing directions, staying in place, or traveling.
Yeah. And then
Boom,
we added the slide.
Boom, boom, tap, and slide. We had that collect, whoop, then go.
Yeah, prep it before you slide.
Your solo visual was Broadway.
Oh yeah, because everybody was doing like this, and then somehow after I said Broadway, everybody did this, and it looked so much better. And then we did jig kicks. We first practiced them solo, which meant that we worked on swinging your butt side to side. It's not too twisty in its kind of default way, and then you add tap, 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 and you practice that. Then we also asked you to get into close position. We hugged, and then we held this hand. Yeah, you want to be pretty close on this one. And
we had a little 6-count pattern.
Yeah, with a rock step.
Rock step, hey, hey, rock step, hey, hey. We talked a lot about having to get over that side.
Yeah.
We made you butt bump your partners. It was a lot of fun.
And that's what we did.